Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to run Selenium Grid. First, ensure you have the Java Development Kit, or JDK, installed on all machines you plan to use. Next, download the latest Selenium Server JAR file, which is essential for both the hub and node components. This file contains everything needed to get your grid up and running efficiently for distributed testing across your environment. The hub is the central point of your Selenium Grid, receiving all test requests and distributing them to available nodes. To start the hub, open your command prompt in the directory where you saved the Selenium Server JAR. Then, execute the command, java jar selenium server 4, x jar hub. The hub will typically start on port 4444 by default, ready to accept connections. Nodes are the machines where your actual browser tests will execute. Each node needs to register itself with the hub. From a separate command prompt on each node machine, navigate to the JAR file's location. Use the command, java jar selenium server 4, x, jar node detect drivers true hub http://localhost 4444. This command tells the node to connect to the hub, which is usually running on localhost at port 4444, making it available for test execution. Once your hub and nodes are running, you can configure your test scripts to utilize the grid. Instead of initializing a local WebDriver, you'll use remote WebDriver and point it to your hub's URL, typically http://localhost 4444. Remember to specify the desired browser capabilities, such as Chrome or Firefox. Your tests will then be automatically distributed across the available nodes, enabling efficient parallel execution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.